module, we'll learn how to address a crisis situation.
The following are common emotional reactions to crises: confusion, fear, paralysis, despair, anger, and hopelessness. Common types of personal crises include life transition, developmental, situational, and psychological. Emotional abuse occurs when a parent or other close relative or companion constantly ridicules, terrorizes, blames, insults, belittles, humiliates, or withdraws any positive emotional support for a child.
I had once upon a time a client who wanted to jump the line or the queue to get to see me.